input a sentence in a file. Let's write SOUND. Let's check the file. Here, as we have put sound study, and it is only printing sound because here we have take scanf. This is the problem with scanf. So we have to take get that string to print the space and the word. So let's again run this code, input a file. Let's print a message sound study. Here you can see it is perfectly printing. Let's again run this code. As you can see, it is printing. So this is the code for creating a file and writing and store information